There's something about fresh flowers in a space that just feels amazing. Hi friend, I'm sharing some Easter decorations today. We have yet to put up our Christmas tree. We decorated it for Valentine's Day and that was really fun, and at that point I was kind of done, but my daughter wanted to do Easter, so we've kept it up, and she pretty much did this herself, so this is pretty much her work. She put me to work and directed me a little bit, and so I did help with the top half of the tree. But we had a bunch of these Easter eggs and kind of Easter ornament things that I got for 90% off after Easter one year at Target. So they had just kind of been sitting in a bin. We finally put them to use this year, and so that was great, and she had a lot of fun putting them up. These colored eggs were from like an estate sale that I got like years ago. I feel like it's kind of fun and festive, and we're enjoying it. So I wanted to show you that tree. That pom-pom bunny ear garland came from Joann's, I think, actually on sale. And then this cool piece that we've put together is also from clearance Target Easter stuff, but it's these 3 mini bunny wreaths. To make a bigger statement, I put 3 together and just attached them by using my staple gun and stapling them into the back like hardboard just over the loop, so I can take them apart pretty easily afterwards if I want. But we got 3 in a row, and then my daughter wanted to hang it on her door in her room, so I just grabbed a sticky hook from the Dollar Tree, popped it on, and it's been doing the job and holding it up, surprisingly. So that's really cute. I love the simplicity of it and the look of it and how easy it was to put together. And then today I decided we needed a flower arrangement for Easter, so picked out some just from the grocery store, some colors that we liked. There was this like pale purple color that I really liked, but they only had 1 bunch and they were kind of getting a little past their prime. So I got this deeper purple, which is fun but very bold, but you know, overall I think it's fun. I love all the yellow in it, and it just makes me happy. We still have snow on the ground here, and so that's why our flocked Christmas tree still seems appropriate. It looks like we'll have snow on the ground for Easter this year, which it is what it is. But I was excited to put this cheery arrangement on our dining table with the yellow chrysanthemums, orange zinnias, and tulips. It really brightens up the space. click on this video on the screen to see more, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.